Every once in a while, we get a late model trade-in here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and that's exactly what we have here. It's a 2020 Cadillac XT6. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Odometer reads 78,395 is all. I believe they considered this garnet metallic. Nice, rich color, no doubt about that. Underneath the hood, 3.6 liter. That's paired up with the automatic transmission, of course, all-wheel drive system on this. So we take a good look at the front fascia, grille. You do have a few little spots where you've got some little pebble chips or some little spots where it's been touched up. But overall, paint has a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. It'll be pictured up just like our classics. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the Cadillac wheels. Continental radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. The owner's manuals are in the glove box, so you know. One little dinger on the door right there, if you can see it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at the interior also. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Going to take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Technician that looked at this one in our service department checked over very well. Brakes were 40% in the front, 70% in the rear. Wanted to mention that. Complete exhaust on it. We do have a little wear on this rear bumper from going in and out of the cargo area in the back. And you'll be able to, again, see every angle of the exterior, some close-ups, all in the still pictures, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Cadillacs, no matter what year, obviously we get in older ones and newer ones, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Pop this rear door open and kind of show you how the interior looks. It does have the power folding rear seats. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to get on a newer Cadillac. And yes, 3 rows of seats. Captain's chairs in the second row. Give you a look at the headliner, and then of course that full-length sunroof. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles. 78,395. Be a good look at the dash. Good shape, of course, navigation system. Heated and ventilated seats. Electronic dual climate control. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. Slid that power sunroof open part of the way too, so you can see how that works. Please feel free to call with any questions. Just consult with a sales associate. They'll be happy to help you out on this one. Sounds as you'd expect, nice and quiet. A couple other things to mention, of course, steering wheel controls, heads-up display controls are right here. Condition of seating surfaces, very nice shape. It's kind of a dark charcoal or ebony interior in nice shape. What you'd expect with the kind of miles on it that it has. See if I can get this one-handed. There we go. Good look underneath the hood, nice and clean. There it is, again, that 3.6 liter. A V6. And of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Automatic transmission with all-wheel drive system. 2020 Cadillac XT6 local trade-in, $78,395 on the odometer at the moment. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're riding in a 2020 Cadillac XT6, a four-door SUV. Luxurious as most Cadillacs are. Quick too. Plenty of power in this vehicle. I've got a heads-up display giving me my speed and currently the radio station as well. Audio sounds good in this car. We've got a digital speedometer as well as a needle over on the right reading our speed, tachometer. All this stuff is working. We've got less than 80,000 miles on this vehicle. Nice leather heated and cooled seats. A smooth ride as you would expect. Power accessories everywhere you look. Large sunroof. Brakes are nice and smooth. Quiet ride. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Excellent power steering. Corners nicely. And you forget it's a big SUV when you put your foot down. They've got plenty of power. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cadillac XT6 at uniqueclassiccars.com.